Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Matt Larson coming at you guys with kind of a shocking story. If you haven't heard yet, DHS, ICE, Homeland Security has ordered 450 million rounds of 40 cal ammo. Now 40 cal ammo is a pretty unique bullet where it can be either used in pistols or it can be used in like HKs, different stuff like that. Kind of the Uzi or the MP5, those type of submachine gun also can shoot the 40 cal. So it's interesting to see that they purchased that many rounds of ammo. They must be preparing for something, I guess you think, because that's literally a bullet in a third, 1 1/3 bullets for every person in America. Now either they know something we don't know on why they're going to be needing to shoot 450 bullets either out of their sidearm or an Uzi type gun that we don't know about, I guess. It's just, I don't know. Back in 08 when there's a huge shortage on 5.56 and or 223 ammo, you look at why the government ordered a bunch of that. So back in 08 they stockpiled way up on ammo then. That was for carbines and different type of rifles. Now they're stocking up on their 40 cal, their sidearm ammo. You guys, this isn't really out in the news anywhere. Some people say it's not news. Others would be a little bit more aware of the situation on why this could be potentially huge news. I see it as potentially being huge news, guys, because why does the police and government and all these different people like ICE, departments like ICE, who don't even uphold their laws that they try to like put on us? ICE doesn't even arrest these illegal aliens who get caught drunk driving, guys. They don't even ship them out, they release them. So why are they going to need 450 million rounds of 40 caliber ammo? Somebody please let me know in a text response down below, guys, because I'm at loss. I only come up to a couple conclusions, and I'm going to leave that for you guys to decide out loud. But yeah, the link for this article and many others are down in the description. Otherwise, you can just Google DHS and ICE order 450 rounds of ammo, 40 cal to be exact. So make sure you guys thumbs up this video, share with friends and family. You guys, I'm just going to leave it at that, you guys. hit that subscribe button. This is just kind of, yeah, it's shocking. Not really, but it is. So it's Matt Larson 10. Go run, Paul. Peace.